Our dear viewers, welcome to a new episode. Please click the subscribe button to encourage us to publish more medical information. Anemia develops due to drop in the number of red blood cells, which are responsible for carrying oxygen and other nutrients to muscles, organs and all tissues of the body. Anemia occurs due to blood loss, massive destruction of red blood cells or insufficient production of new red blood cells. So, it's mainly manifested with fatigue, dizziness, shortness of breathing, hypotension, palpitation and headache. There are many forms of anemia, but the most common form is iron deficiency anemia, and the most common cause of anemia in general is iron deficiency. This is because red blood cells contain certain type of protein called hemoglobin, which contains iron. So, without sufficient amount of iron, the human body can't produce hemoglobin, which is responsible for carrying oxygen and nutrients to all body tissues. On the same context, decreased levels of vitamin B12 or folate interfere with production of new healthy red blood cells. According to these facts, we can say that diet rich in iron, vitamin B12, folate and vitamin C is highly recommended for treatment of anemia. So, through this topic we will highlight the most significant foods that help effectively in treatment of anemia. 1. Spinach. It contains high amount of iron, but it's noted that spinach contains non-heme iron which isn't absorbed very well. The good news is that spinach contains vitamin C, which promotes intestinal absorption of iron. On the other side, spinach is rich in carotenoids, specific type of antioxidants, which suppress inflammatory reactions and protect against some types of cancer. 2. Red meat and liver. They are rich in iron, vitamin B12, copper, zinc, choline and selenium. These elements are necessary for proper and sufficient production of new healthy red blood cells, which in turn has therapeutic and preventive roles against anemia. 3. Legumes. It includes lentils, peas, chickpeas, beans and soybeans. Legumes found to be good source of iron, folate, potassium and magnesium. So, legumes are effective in treatment of anemia as well as correction of mild metabolic disorders, which may predispose to anemia. On the same context, to increase iron absorption from legumes, it's advised to add foods rich in vitamin C, such as tomatoes, lemon and pepper. 4. Oysters. It's rich in iron which is easily absorbed to correct anemia. Also, the most significant health benefit of oysters is that it increases the level of good cholesterol which protects against atherosclerosis and other chronic cardiac diseases. 5. Fish. It seems to be a good source of iron, vitamin B12, selenium and omega-3 fatty acids, especially fatty fish such as tuna and mackerel. 6. Fortified foods. They are certain types of foods to which iron and other supplements have been added. For example, fortified orange juice, fortified pasta, fortified white rice, fortified cornmeal, etc. 7. Nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin seeds. They are good source of iron, zinc, magnesium as well as other nutrients that help effectively in treatment of anemia. In conclusion, we hope that we have helped you with all you need to know about foods that can be used in treatment of anemia. Support the channel to encourage us to publish more.